You need to hear this if you're a student struggling to juggle school, tuition, and extracurricular activities. Let's make time work for you. Let's dive into some quick tips for better time management. Ready? Here we go. First, start by making a to-do list. Write down everything you need to get done, from school assignments to tuition homework. Prioritize tasks by importance and deadline. Next, tackle the hardest tasks first. When your energy is high, you'll get more done. Now, break your work into small chunks. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Also, set specific goals. Instead of saying study history, say read 10 pages of history. Be clear and precise. Don't forget to limit distractions. Put your phone on silent and find a quiet place to work. Lastly, reward yourself. After completing a task, take a short break or treat yourself. This keeps you motivated. Remember, time management is a skill. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So start today. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Thanks for watching. Follow for more tips and